how to unfollow on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, okay, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, on the upper right side on your screen, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy, okay, you can see here the preference section. Here in preference section, you can see the content preference. Okay, you can tap this. Here in content preferences, you can see here the unfollow. So you can unfollow people, page, and group to stop seeing their post. Okay, you'll have to do stop the unfollow. And now you can unfollow people, page, and group to stop seeing their post in feed. Only you can see who you unfollow. So okay, here the list of page, people, or group you follow. So to unfollow, okay, you'll have to do is tap the unfollow button on the right side. So for my example, I unfollow on MacBook Air user Philippines. Okay, tap the unfollow button. And that's it. We have successfully unfollow. So you can also search here on the top. You can search the page, group, or people you want to unfollow. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully unfollow on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.